If you are encountering the persistent error 1603 PL error when trying to install something on Windows 11, do not worry. We have a few solutions to help you fix this. First, let us try to free up some disk space. Search for Disk Cleanup in your Windows search bar and open the application. Once Disk Cleanup opens, click on OK. You will see a list of items you can clean up. Make sure to check all the boxes that are available. Then, click on OK, and confirm by clicking on Delete Files. Sometimes, this simple step can resolve installation issues. If Disk Cleanup does not do the trick, we will move on to the next potential solution. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the right side of the screen, click on the Check for Updates button. Ensuring your system is up to date can often fix various installation problems. Should these two methods not resolve the error, the next step involves running a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter, sfc/can now. This command will scan for and attempt to repair corrupted system files. If even the SFC scan does not provide a solution, it may indicate that the installation files themselves are corrupted. In this scenario, your best course of action would be to try downloading the setup folder again and attempting the installation with a fresh copy of the installer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.